Oh wow, my satellite's so high up. Oh,
That's not what
oh Rick.
I was trying to figure it out.
Ooh. Look how simple it is. You've been carried by Big Bro again. I kind of do have permanent hiccups because I can always give myself hiccups. How does it work if I double tap? Oh my god. I can't stop, bro. Smacks you around the head with a pank.
Now I got pinked.
Jordan, get down! Get down as the president! I'm taking aggro! Take it, Elf! You're too low, Jordan! I'm cranking 90s! Alfred! Jordan, crank 90s! He's destroying all my 90s! Jordan, quick, get down!
Break the window. I'm in.
Watch out, he's still shooting.
How?
He's still shooting you, Jordan.
There's someone on the other side of the show. It's the
Who is it?
policeman.
I'm coming round now from upstairs. I'll get him.
Helicopter.
The fuck? He must be round here somewhere.
I got him.
Well, I'm dying.
Jordan, it doesn't even hit me when I do this, by the way.
It's jumping.
Oh shit, it got me.
It looks like...
Jordan, watch out!
Owie! No!
Oh, I got the elf.
No, I can't.
Press E!
I was spamming it. If only it wasn't slowed.
So Jordan, J-Rome will go trans me, but you won't.
Okay.
Okay, so J-Rome's a better friend.
No, I'll go double transfer you, bro.
Wait, so you become a woman then a man again?
Yeah.
Holy shit, you're dedicated.
It's good to know.
I think you should make the transition.
At your request.
I don't know, you should do it for yourself. You've always wanted it. Gaslight shoes. Alfred can't get up. Alfred, come on! The exhausts are in your way. Alfred,
I fell through the match.
He didn't fall through the map, Alfred. He literally like fell into the water. All right. Come on. Go, Alfred, go. Don't worry about me.
Yeah.
You're making it. Go. Don't stop, guys.
It's sinking.
Jump in my one.
I'm in.
Fucking Jordan, get out and crank nose. Run! Get the next boat. Alfred, you
I'm
drive.
on the
Jordan,
bridge.
you crank nose. Why are you planking the bridge? Regenerating HP.
Shit.
I'm in the boat. Cranking 90s.
I can't see.
Crank more 90s. Quickly, to the side. In the getaway vehicle. Down. Watch out, Alfred, there's a truck! Get out, watch out!
Avoid incident.
Into the woods! Oh shit, they're setting the dogs on us!
I'm in.
All that to get in another boat.
Good old dynamite.
Kumbaya, Melo.
Greetings. Amenites.
Did you just have a stroke?
Yes. Oh, it's Alfred. If you press tab, you'll see the words Jordan struggled with. Mr.
Amenites.
Jordan, turn around.
Cheese.
I didn't say cheese yet.
Cheese.
Stop saying cheese. I'm taking the picture yet. Okay, say cheese.
Cheddar.
It's not fucking funny. It's not funny. Cheddar's a type of cheese. It is not the word cheese. It doesn't make you smile the way saying cheese does. Ruining
Red
it.
Leicester.
Leicester?
That's not. That doesn't make you smile.
You mozzarella.
Oh, he's been doing like a civilized man.
Yeah, okay. If you say so.
It may take a while. Jason!
Oh, fuck me, that's hot as shit, bro. Jordan, turn around. Left a little bit. Okay, no more. No more.
Did you save, man?
No, I forgot I could, to be honest.
Jordan, come in the turret room.
I'll make good takes. Okay, that's really good.
We need to wait for Jason to come back before we do this one.
This does not count as waiting, bro.
I was doing some science.
It's got rocket launchers!
Oh shit, it's free from the cable. Quickly get a picture of it.
What do you mean can get a picture of it? You'll fire, bro!
Try to kill him. A bunch of nitroglycerin. Where's on? Oh. Is he dead?
And then...
I can take it. Oh my god, he's getting up. Run.
Your friends!
Run, guys. He got up. Run. Okay.
Alfred!
Staying away.
I'm getting tornado!
Yeah.
I don't know where we went.
Jason, he's not even securing it down. He's just whacking it in the bed.
Jordan, can you fucking
You can't
focus?
send me off with an unsecured load.
Okay, here you go.
Focus, though, bro.
Bro, what is that? Let me show you how to strap down a barrel.
Right, now I'm going to use the new thing I just learned. Hold, wait, shut up. That's not as fun as this, though.
Bro, it's fucked.
Grab one of these.
Okay.
What even just happened? You shot it?
I did nothing of the sort.
And how did it blow up? Like, what the fuck was that? I smashed this with a sledgehammer, by the way. It didn't blow up. Bro, it's just blowing up. Wait, is it like one of them just broke? Like, bro, I don't even need you.
I feel like Jordan's incapable of doing an evil playthrough.
Exactly. He is, by the way.
No, I can be evil, guys. Like, I can rob people at GTA.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
John's the kind of guy who role plays helping the grannies cross the street in GTA, mate.
In GTA, you're the good guy now, so...
Right here.
Jordan respects hookers in GTA.
Yeah, them as well.
Oh no, I don't want to take you on my car and fuck you and then kill you. No. You evil, that'd be mean.
I don't mean to impose, but...
Well, I paid for a dance, but if you're not feeling it, that's okay. You can keep the money. That's gonna work really well.
Slowly.
What is he extinguishing?
Why am I doing that?
Jordan, I was the one who broke the plank. Did you know that?
No, I didn't. That was you.
Yeah, I hit it with a sledgehammer.
Why? The barrel.
Yes.
Jordan's getting crushed by a barrel.
The barrel.
Oh, that's not good.
Jordan, help.
Yeah, breaking structure.
You haven't helped me. What do you mean you're breaking the structure?
Yeah.
Talking about?
Sounds rather straightforward to me. I'm breaking the structure.
But you are useless, mate. I'll do everything myself. Oh, look, an explosive. I wonder what I could use this for to help Jason. Fucking...
That's why you got the explosion, man.
How did it blow up on this? He's already here. He's always here. This guy loves picking stuff up in a boat. Alfred enjoys this game the most when he's just picking stuff up in a boat or a truck, bro.
It is a boat and car weave.
I'm the transporter, baby.
Yeah, I'm Jason Statham.
Fucking blow up! I taxed. Don't even. He died from the fucking impact. I got some coconut milk. Did you know that coconuts aren't even nuts?
Would you like a shotgun, sir? In this trying time?
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Jordan, this is my impression of a demon. What do you think?
Did they have those? No, I was trying to work together as a team.
There's no I in team.
Wait, let me spell out. P I A-M.
What the fuck? Say hello to my little friend. Oh yeah, what do you want me to upgrade, Jordan? Go on.
Vehicle
Go on.
boosters.
They now have double the power and we have 18 of them.
Go ahead.
Jesus! Fuck! Jesus Christ! Where are we going?
Holy shit. Optimus 3, boys.
To the moon! Jordan, our teammate strategies leaves some things to be desired, I'm not gonna lie.
What's wrong with teammates?
Look at him in the background, bro.
Oh. He's attempting liftoff again, I see. I'm gonna see Pinata in the background.
I do you see a pinata in the background, eh?
What pinata?
Okay, buddies. Okay, buddies. That's a D's clap. Where are you going?
I don't know, I just thought someone would go down the side of it. Flip me over. No, not you. No.
Oh, easy clap. Thought I was falling faster.
Because he's got such a long nose. Hover mode. No.
Nice hover mode, buddy.
What
Oh my
the
god.
fuck?
Oh my god.
It won't go.
No.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Oh, God.
Jesus
Oh my
Christ! What? Your fucking shopping cart's crazy! Oh! Maneuvers! Help! No, don't do that! That's the opposite of help.
No.
Hover mode activate.
How is this shopping cart so heavy?